So yesterday people said they liked my video, and I'll do a little one this time as well, because yesterday's one was 18, no wait, not yesterday, the day before yesterday was 18 minutes long. So maybe I'll make this one a little bit shorter. As you can see right now behind me, it's totally like the aftermath of what was happening last days. We had about 30 to 40 centimeters snow, and now we're gonna run a little errand. We'll see what we're gonna do today. So I might have underestimated that one because it was kind of cold actually on my hands. At least I'm warm in the car right now, so let's go and see the sunset, because it is now just past 5, and at 5:30 around this time the sun sets, and we'll see what it's going to be today. If we're going to get away in any way here, we got to get it into 4x4, because otherwise we're not getting away from here. Oh, there we go. Now I'm at the park, and to be honest, this view is not too shabby. I love winter skies, I love summers as well, and summer sunsets, but this view is just amazing. I'm right now at the park. It's called it's near the church Ayou Constantinos. It's one of the biggest church, but also one of the prettiest as far as everybody says, and this is just amazing. It's very cool. I guess the snow got a little bit too heavy for this tree here. And if you look at it, it's just like, it's not like really snapped, it's just half pulled out of the ground somehow. Cool. Oh, that couldn't have been timed better. So as you can see, it is getting dark very fast, and as you can see also there's quite a bit of snow. It's not normal for me or for most Greeks actually to have that much snow. It is now, it's been the day before yesterday that I recorded when it was still snowing, and that was the second day of snow. And today we already have quite a while of melt. You can hear like the ice underneath melting slowly. However, now it's getting so fast dark again that it's cooling down a lot as well. It's really beautiful. The city is now getting clean somehow. As you can see, like, they're cleaning up the roads, they're cleaning up a lot of other stuff around here. It's very cool to see. And it smells so fresh. No exhaust fumes, nothing like that. It's very cool. And yeah, I mean, I hope the snow does not stay here for a long time, because I want to get warmed up and jump in the sea. I mean, even if I look at the sea right now, it feels so inviting to me to just jump in. But it is also somehow inviting to get up to that mountain behind there and just, it's barely visible. I mean, I'm recording with my phone and everything, so if you go up to the mountain, there's a lot of snow. There's in some places 1 to 1.5 meters of snow. So yeah, this area is usually pretty crowded. I mean, there's barely anybody here. People are taking their walks, but so far it's not very inviting to go for a walk. Right now I'm at Volos. It's a summer bar officially, but wait a second. It's freezing cold, by the way. I'm trying not to push any buttons because my last shot was almost ruined because of the zooming in. It is weird to stand here right now because this is a very, very busy bar usually, and especially in summer when it's good weather. But the nice thing about this one is it's always windy, and as you can hear right now as well, probably it is very windy. So at the moment it is again -5 as far as I can see. I can see it on the tower. It's the tower of the harbor, and it's just past 6, and it's very cool. It's very quiet. Everywhere here is very quiet. Nobody wants to go outside. I don't understand why. Yes, it's nice and warm inside, but it is so pretty right now as well. People miss out on things when they don't go outside. So I might make another video if you like this. Leave a like down below because it may help me so I can get some more views. And if you want to see more of me, you can always subscribe. There's a little button that says in German abonnieren, in Dutch abonneren, in English subscribe, in Greek I don't have any idea what it says, but probably the same. Most people have it set to English anyway. Let me know if I should do another one.